Everyone on TikTok is talking about turmeric soap, so I thought it would be cool to make my own. I am not a soap maker, but I love making my own organic products, so we're just gonna find a random recipe and just roll with it. All right, so let's look at our ingredients. I don't have a soap thing, so I just found this top. It looks like it could be a soap, so this is gonna be my soap mold. This is some melt and pour crystal soap. I would like shea butter or goat milk, but this is all I have, and plus I'm still practicing. We got our turmeric, which you definitely don't need this much. We got our vegetable glycerin, just a little of that. We got our honey, because I heard the honey and turmeric thing was the jam. We got some essential oils to make it smell good, and we got a little bit of oil, vitamin E oil, so we can add in moisture. So that's what I'm working with. I looked on YouTube, got the instructions, and now I'm just gonna use my brain, follow along. So here's the turmeric and the honey, and then I threw in a little lemon, and I'm gonna put this on a double boil so I can mix it together and get it to a more liquidy texture, and then I'm gonna mix it with the soap base. I'm making a small soap, so I'm not gonna use that much of the soap base, but we're just gonna melt this down in the microwave. All right, now I have the liquefied soap base, and I have turmeric, honey, essential oil, vitamin E oil, and vegetable glycerin in here, and I'm gonna mix the two. With these, time and heat plays a difference. If it's not hot enough, it's gonna start to mold, and you need to do this at a very quick pace. Stir, stir, stir. We got a nice turmeric and honey and lemon soap. All right, I'm gonna throw this in the freezer, and we're gonna see how the soap comes out.